In this quick video, I would like to share with you a few heater core removal tips on John Deere hydraulic excavator. As example, we're working on John Deere 2054 road builder forestry machine hydraulic excavator. Let me show you how to get to the heater core. Let's get started. Here we go. We're back to the cab. As you can see, seat is removed and we have a bunch of plastic, few panels off. Don't get scared away. It's actually doable. Don't worry about it. I will show you everything you need to know. And first, let's take a look what's wrong with the heater core. And inside the HVAC box, you see the coolant. That is where the heater core was fitted. Yes, and it's wet. I checked the hoses. It wasn't leak from the hoses. It's direct leak from the heater core. It's a plastic tanks, and over time they just, from so many heat cycles, plastic cracks and heater cores starts leaking. That's a problem. Yeah, that's one's leaky. I have another as a replacement. I pick it up, a used one. By the way, if you like heavy equipment, useful videos, go and subscribe to the channel. It only takes few seconds. Thank you so much for doing that. Let's get back to our heater core video. Okay, I have an entire video how to remove everything you need to get to the heater core. I did another video how to replace the blower motor fan. I will link that video down in the description card over there. Good thing to do the heater core, you have to undo less parts. It's pretty easy to get. Yeah, as you can see, mine is removed and everything's clean, and I'm almost ready to put a new one back. And you have quite a bit of room to get an old one out. It's pretty simple. And there is your HVAC blower motor. If this video is helpful, informational, educational, or interesting to watch, put a thumbs up. I appreciated that. Yeah. Well, I'm going to put a new heater core in. Well, new used heater core, not leaking one. I'm wiping all that residue what is left inside the HVAC box. There is a little bit of coolant sitting on the bottom. Yeah, there's a one screw you have to undo to pull the heater core out, and there's a two hoses in and out. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Yeah, just bend them down and undo that little HVAC actuator lever, and you will get your heater core in and out. Yes, as you can see, it's sliding right in. It's not that hard design. It's pretty easy compared to some vehicles. Look at that. Yeah, new one in. It has been a month after I replaced the heater core. No leaks so far. Everything's working. Yeah, I tried to get a new one. They were out of stock, but I found a used one for $100. As you can see, there's quite a bit of slack on the hoses. Easy to get. And yeah, make sure you connect the hoses properly. Hot in, cold out. You'll see that red tape on the hot one. Yeah, mine peeled off. That's it. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, critiques, suggestions, recommendations, put everything down in the comment section below. And one thing, before you undo those hoses, make sure you turn your coolant heater core valves off at the engine if you have if you have ones. Well, take care everybody, and see you next one. Bye bye.